Hello everyone, today we're going to be working on this Lego cow, which is another part of our Lego farm here, and which has the sheep and the windmill house. So let's take it apart so we can get started. Alright, I've gotten everything taken apart and sorted for you. So let's get to the counting. So we have 4 of these 2x2s, 1 of these 2x6 flat pieces, 2 of these 2x2 inverted slope pieces, 2 of these 1x1 eye pieces, 3 of these 1x2 pieces, and this 2x4 plate with these pink dots underneath. So now let's get started. First, let's get 2 of our 1x2s, put them on the bottom like this. And let's get a white 2x2 inverted slope piece, and then get a black let's do a white one here. Really doesn't matter what the order is, but let's put these like this. And then let's get this black 2x2, put it here. This white one can go here. This black one can go here. In between that, so let's take that out. Let's put this here, because that's what we're supposed to do. And then let's do that again. I want to make sure you're caught up, just so you know. And then we put this other slope piece, then these eyes, and they go out on the side, and we are done. So let's add this cow to our farm here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!